Hi, my name is Jim Corbel from Jacksonville, Florida, and what better time to do a screen project with the SNAPP screen system than during COVID-19. As you can see here, I just today received my SNAPP screen channel, spline, screws, and spline tool. I've already done a lot of screen prep. I've taken the old screen down and replaced some of the wood, but the main thing I've done is I've put a new facing on the old wood base, and I will be putting PVC wraparounds on these 4x4 posts. I was able to find some nice wooden grain look. And so all this was wood, and this is the foundation for my SNAPP screen PVC channel. I've now completed refacing the wood with the PVC vinyl. And now I'm going to install the SNAPP screen using the install videos. I just completed installing the channel. So my framing is done and I'm ready to install the screen. I've officially completed my screening project with using the SNAPP screening system. Came out very nice. I'm very happy. Very tight screen. It looks very nice. I took my time. It was laborious, but very easy to do. As you could see from the video, the outside looked spectacular. Inside looks every bit as spectacular. So my project's done. My final comments about the SNAPP system. It's quick delivery on all the parts in the channel. I was very happy to get it within 3 or 4 days. Quality parts and materials. I'm very pleased with how it was constructed, and I think it'll last a long time. Excellent instructions and self-help videos that they provided paved the way for me to do a very nice job. And in conclusion, it really looks superb. I'm very pleased with the SNAPP system.